again. So I was wondering, so I know that my model train videos and like ridable train videos, like B&W, they're not getting a lot of views. So like, should I keep making them public, or should I just make them like private, or should I make them unlisted? Because I mean, yeah, they aren't getting a lot of views, so I just want to hear what you guys, think. Like, yeah, just tell me. I don't know what to say. I don't have no script, so. Yeah, things. I. So yeah, basically just, I'm repeating myself again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for wasting your 1 minute and 10 seconds of your life. Now it's more than that, but, yeah, just basically tell me, like, if you want, just tell me your thoughts on the model trains and ridable trains, because I'm not sure if I should keep them, like, public, private, or unlisted. So, I don't know, I have no script, so, okay, bye, sign out,